Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, today we are going to learn the second lesson, digestion and the role of microbes. Digestion and the role of microbes. In this lesson, we will learn about teeth, types of teeth, parts of a tooth, care of teeth, ways to protect our teeth, the digestive system, healthy eating habits, and microbes. Okay? Today we will learn about teeth and types of teeth. Children, teeth are an important part of our body, isn't it? Where are they present? Teeth are present inside our mouth, right? Children, what is the first thing you do when you put a food item in your mouth? Yes, you start chewing it and then you swallow it, isn't it? So, teeth help in biting and chewing the food, isn't it? Children, when you sit in front of a camera, the cameraman says to smile and you smile, isn't it? What happens when you smile? When you smile, your teeth become visible, isn't it? So, if you have white shining teeth, it can make your smile beautiful, isn't it? But just think, if you have dirty yellow teeth, would you feel comfortable in smiling? No, isn't it? So, clean, white and shining teeth add charm and beauty to our face. Teeth give proper shape to our face and help us to speak properly. Teeth also help us to chew and eat our food properly. Okay. Children, have you seen a person without teeth? Yes. He or she looks different from a person who has teeth. Okay. Children, we get 2 sets of teeth in our lifetime. These are milk teeth or temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Children, have you seen a newborn baby? Do they have teeth? Yes? No, isn't it? When a child is born, it does not have any teeth. But when the child is about 5 to 6 months old, the first set of teeth start growing. Okay. Then when the child is about 2.5 years old, the first set of 20 teeth appears. This set of teeth in a child is called temporary teeth. Why do we say this is temporary teeth? Because they do not last long. They are also called milk teeth. Okay. They are small in size. Slowly they start falling out one by one. When the child is about 6 years old, the child loses all its milk teeth. Slowly, new ones, which are bigger in size, begins to grow in their place. This set of new teeth is called permanent teeth. Okay. So, define permanent teeth. Milk teeth are replaced by a new set of bigger teeth called permanent teeth. Okay. There are usually 32 permanent teeth. That is 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. Okay. So, a child has 20 milk teeth, but an adult has 32 permanent teeth. Okay. Next we can learn types of teeth. Children, if you observe your teeth in a mirror, you will find that the teeth are of different shapes, isn't it? Why do they have different shapes? Because they perform different functions. Therefore, they have different shapes. Okay? The distribution in the mouth is such that both jaws have similar arrangement of teeth. The four types of teeth are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Whether all the teeth are in same shape, size and number? No, isn't it? They vary in shape, size and number. Now, let us study about the four types of teeth one by one. Okay. First, incisors. Incisors are present at the front of each jaw. We have 8 incisors in all. That is 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Do you know the use of incisors? Yes, they are used for cutting and biting food. Incisors are usually the first teeth that appear at around 6 months of age. Okay. Next, canines. A canine tooth is present on each side of the incisors. See in this picture, there are 4 canines in total. That is 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Canines are sharp and pointed. What are the use of canines? They are used for tearing the food. Flesh-eating animals have big and sharp canines so that they can tear the flesh easily. Okay. Next, premolars. Premolars are broad teeth present next to canines towards the back of the mouth. Children, see in this picture, we have 2 on each side of the canines, isn't it? So, we have 8 premolars in all. That is 4 in each jaw. Premolars help to crush the food and chew it properly. Next, molars. Molars are broader and flatter than the premolars and are the biggest teeth in our jaws. We have 3 on each side of the premolars. So, there are 6 in each jaw and therefore 12 molars in all. Out of the 12 molars, 8 grow first, 2 on each side of the premolars and the last one on each side of each jaw, that is 4 more molars, grows at a later stage. These 4 teeth are known as wisdom teeth. We use the molars for chewing and grinding the food before swallowing it. Plant-eating animals have well-developed premolars and molars because they need to chew and grind their food a lot. Okay. So children, today we learn the second lesson, digestion and the role of microbes. Under that, we will learn about teeth, types of teeth, care of teeth, the digestive system and microbes. This portion is in your book, page number 21. Okay. Children, here is an activity for you. You can do it by yourself. Okay. So first we learn about teeth. Teeth are an important part of our body and we should take proper care of them. Okay. Now turn page number 22. Okay. Teeth. Teeth are present inside our mouth and they help in biting and chewing the food. Next, sets of teeth. Human beings have two sets of teeth, that is temporary and permanent set. By the time a child is 2.5 years old, the first set of 20 teeth appears. This set of teeth in a child is called temporary teeth. They are also called milk teeth. Okay. Then when the child is about 6 years old, milk teeth start falling out one by one. Slowly, new ones which are bigger in size take their place. This set of new teeth is called permanent teeth. There are usually 32 teeth in a permanent set. Okay. Next we learned types of teeth. Teeth are mainly needed to bite and chew the food. According to their function, teeth are of 4 types. Okay. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay. First, incisors. Children, look at this picture. There are 8 incisors in all. 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. What is the function of incisor? Incisors are used for cutting and biting food. Okay. Next, canines. There are 4 canines in all. 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. We have 1 canine on both sides of the incisors. We have 1 canine on both sides of the incisors. Canines are sharp and are used for tearing food. In flesh-eating animals, canines are bigger and sharper so that tearing flesh is easier. Okay. The next, premolars. There are 8 premolars in all. 4 in each jaw. That is 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. These are broad teeth next to the canines. Okay. Premolars help to crush food and chew it. Next, molars. There are 12 molars in all. They are bigger and flatter than the premolars with a broader upper surface to chew and grind the food well. Out of 12 molars, 8 grow first. Okay, 8 grow first. 2 on each side of the premolars. Then 4 more molars grow later. Plant-eating animals have well-developed premolars and molars because they need to chew and grind their food a lot. Now children, can you identify these types of teeth? This yellow color tooth shows incisors, then blue color canines, pink color premolars and green color molars. Okay. Children, now take your science booklet and write the question answer. Lesson 2, Digestion and the role of microbes. Answer the following questions. First one, what are the different types of teeth? The different types of teeth are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. I repeat, what are the different types of teeth? The different types of teeth are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay. With this I finish today's session. We can learn the remaining portion in the next class. Thank you children. Have a nice day.